it. So.
Can you imagine I didn't press record?
Did you not? You did?
But it's okay. Yeah.
Imagine you did the whole thing. And
Right?
then
Without recording.
Have you done that before?
No, I know the whole thing, but partially, yeah. And I've lost my footage before.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's probably
Different
really painful. I find this so fascinating.
The name is actually rubbed up, so I probably will just write it down.
I'm really liking the look.
Nice.
Why do you say that Europeans are the ones who contour noses?
Oh no, not that they are the ones who do it, but basically noses are contoured to look slender and pointy,
Okay.
which is a European trait, like mostly that. So in us doing that, it feels like trying to look like that, because you know, like in terms of maybe even hair, complexion, physique, everything is mostly geared towards the white woman being the standard. So that's how come I feel that way, like, personally. You can correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah. It's good. It's good that you think that way.
Because like in Ghana, everything, like most people want to do everything to appear white.
Is there a complexion issue there as well? Like people would want to look more fairer?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Yep. Even in Sri Lanka. Oh man. The amount of fairness creams. Ugh.
Yeah, in Ghana too.
it me or does my eyes look bigger?
Yeah, they do.
I think it's the eyelashes, right? Did you show all the other stuff that you used?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where does it naturally fall?
This way, yeah.